Nail manicure ideas. Good evening, everyone. Hope you people like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today, I am telling about the nail manicures. A manicure is a mostly cosmetic beauty treatment for the fingernails and the hands, performed at home or in a nail salon. A manicure usually consists of filing and shaping the free edge of nails, pushing and clipping any non-living tissues. Treatments with various liquids, massage of the hand, and the application of the fingernail polish when the same is applied to the toenails and feet. The treatment is referred to as a pedicure. Together, the treatment may be known as a mani-pedi. Most nail polish can stay on nails for 2 to 3 days before another manicure is required for maintenance if there is no damage done to it. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Also, give your reviews at the comment section below and tell me which idea do you like most. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Some manicures include painting, pictures or designs on the nails, applying small decals or imitation jewels. Other nail treatments may include the application of artificial gel nails, tips or acrylics, which may be referred to as French manicures. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel. In my video, you can get different ideas about the manicures, that is French manicure, hot oil manicures, and deep powder manicures. Tell me which idea do you like most and which type of idea do you want. There are several nail shapes. The basic shapes are almond, oval, pointed, round, square, square oval, square with rounded, and many more. You guys get different ideas for your nails. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.